In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here, we're going to use Airtable's built-in automations to send client emails and Slack messages based on changes in your base, all without relying on external tools. I'll walk you through the flow, show you where everything lives, and share tips to make your messages accurate and personalized. Start by opening the base where your client records live and head to the Automations tab at the top. Create a new automation and give it a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. Now choose your trigger. You have a few great options here. When record enters view is perfect if you manage your workflow with filtered views. As soon as a record matches that view's criteria, the automation will fire. If you prefer a more direct approach, choose when a record is created to message new clients the moment they're added. Or use when record matches conditions to react to a status field changing, like moving from pending to approved. Pick the one that aligns with how your team tracks progress. With the trigger set, add an action. For email, choose Send Email. You can send from Airtable or a connected account, depending on what you've configured. In the To field, pull in the email from your record so messages go to the right person every time. Then write a subject and body that sound human and helpful. Use dynamic fields to personalize, like inserting the client's name, project name, and deadline directly from your table. You'll see options to add these fields from the record. Click to insert them where they belong. Keep your message short, clear, and specific, and consider adding a signature block for consistency. If you prefer Slack, choose Send Slack Message. Select the workspace and channel or direct message destination, then compose the message. Again, use dynamic fields to include key details such as the record name, owner, or next steps. A quick tip, if your team relies on threads, include enough context in the first message so follow-ups stay organized. Before finalizing your content, skim for missing values that might appear blank if a field isn't filled. Adding simple placeholders like TBD in your copy can keep messages understandable. If your trigger uses a view, double-check the view filters so only the right records qualify. This helps you avoid duplicate or premature messages. Once everything looks good, you're ready to let Airtable handle the repetitive work. From now on, whenever a record meets your trigger, your email or Slack message will go out automatically, using the exact data from the record to keep communication timely, accurate, and professional.